Hello, good people, and welcome to Finance Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. If you use Excel to create dashboards or to create visuals, then this new feature in Excel is really going to excite you. The ability to place pictures in cells. So join me in this video and let me demo how you can take advantage of this feature to create more exciting and interactive dashboards. Okay, so here is a sample dashboard, an actual and budget dashboard for departments. So if I select any particular department, I'm able to see their performance, whether they've overspent their budget or not. So initially, sales and marketing have overspent their budget. Okay, then if I select projects, they have not. Now, one thing that you notice is that this is giving me the status of the budget. So the background turns green and an icon with a tick also comes in if they have not. But if they have, then the background turns red and then the icon also changes. Okay, so all these interactive features, I took advantage of the new place picture in cell. So let me demo with a new workbook. So I'm going to start with a new workbook. Okay, and I'm going to show you where to find this under insert. So where you typically insert pictures, you now have two options: to place the picture in a cell or to place it over cells, right? So let's choose the place in cell. So I'm going to use some of these online pictures. So when it opens, I just want to demo with just two animals. So I'm going to select two animals. So here I have this elephant and then I have the bear, and I'm going to insert these. Now you realize that automatically they drop in the cells G4 and G5, right? Now the good thing about this is that you can resize, okay, and the picture will just adjust accordingly. So I can do same here, right? Now beyond just having the pictures in cells, the good thing is that you can, let me put in some grid lines, you can use them in formulas. So as an example, I'm going to put 4,000 here, right? And what I'm going to say is, if this figure here, okay, is greater than 5,000, okay, then give me the two elephants that are fighting. If not, then you give me the bear, right? So if I enter this, of course, this is less than 5,000, so I get the bear. Now, I can collapse this and make it bigger, okay, come to home, and then even merge the cell, okay, to get a bit more of a projected view. If I change this to 6,000, okay, then I get my elephant. So is this concept that we used to create the dynamic background and icon that you saw. Now let's go there and let me show you how I built this. So for starters, I have two shapes here, right? So this is a regular shape, right? And then the icon is in here. Then there's another shape here with an icon, right? So what I've basically done is that I have grouped these shapes, okay, into one. If I ungroup them, okay, you see that they are now separate elements, right? So I can come back and then group. Now, what I want is that this is when they have not overspent. I'm going to save this as a picture. So I'll right click, okay, and then save this as a picture. So saving it on my local computer, I'll call this underspend. Okay. And PNG is preferred. You can use any other format here. And then I'll do same for this. Save this as a picture. Okay, and then this is my overspend. Okay, so I now have two images in the background, right? Now, if you like, I can even call these pictures in. So let me go to calculate and then show you how you can call these pictures in. If I come to the backstage, I can now bring in the pictures that I saved and then place them in cells and now use it in my formulas. Okay, so I'll go to insert, illustrations, pictures, place in cell. This time around, I'm fetching these images from my computer, right? So I have overspend and underspend, right? I can select these two together and then it comes as we have it here, right? I've already done some calculations at the back, as you can realize. So this is the figure that we are interested in. If they have not overspent yet, okay, this figure is negative. Okay, so we are going to use this particular figure, okay, to create first the label and then also use it to reference the background and the icon, right? So for the label, okay, I'm going to use a simple if, that if this figure is greater than 0, okay, then we have an overspend, right? Otherwise, we have an underspend. So that is going to be the label. Okay, I place that as a caption above, right? Now, if I come to the dashboard, okay, this is a cell, right? I have just merged it, okay, to give that big projection. So I can simply delete this, okay, and then write the formula in this merged cell. Okay, so here I'll go if this calculation here is greater than 0, then comma, what do I want? I want the red background and then that icon, right? So I've referenced that. Otherwise, I just want this one, right? So I'll close it and then I'll press enter, right? And just like that, I have this here. So earlier I calculated the label. So let me also reference the label. Okay, so that is also going to be here. And then I'll just reference that here, right? You can now format this nicely. Okay, so so you can now format this nicely, okay, and change the font if you want. Okay, so this is an underspend. So I have this, the caption, the background, and the icon, and then I have this 100% stacked bar chart also showing us. So all together showing us whether the department has overspent or not. So now if I come and I am in projects, they have obviously not overspent. Okay, if I switch to sales and marketing, I get the red, right? So you can now take advantage of it. You can combine a lot of elements and save as one picture, use it as a background, and then reference it. There are many opportunities and very creative ways to make your dashboards exciting. I hope you enjoy this. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful and you would like to receive more of these videos directly on your WhatsApp, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Finance Skills Hub. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.